In this video, we're going to take you from unboxing all the way to getting your first print with the Epson SureColor F170 sublimation printer. You'll get to see what's included when you purchase from HeatPress Nation, how to set up the machine, including how to install the inks, paper, and software. And then we'll finish by showing you how to send a file to print. First, we're going to remove everything from the box. Inside, you'll find a pack of sublimation paper, quick start guide, user manual, and other paperwork. There's a cardboard insert that contains the 4 ink bottles and a power cable. There's no USB cable included, so you'll want to get a USB A to B cable to follow along with this tutorial. There's also a roll of heat tape in there. Carefully remove the printer from the box and set it down. Remove the bag, and then you can remove the packaging tape all around the printer as shown. We're going to install the ink before powering the printer on or even connecting any cables. Shake each ink bottle about 15 times. Lift the main lid, then the lid on the ink bay. Uncap each of the 4 ink tanks. Starting with the black ink bottle, open the sealed bag, remove the cap, and then load it onto the corresponding station as shown. The bottle will empty into the tank, stopping automatically once it's filled to capacity. Each ink bottle is keyed, meaning it's only going to fit on the correct station, so there's no need to force it. Once it's stopped filling, you can remove the bottle, put the cap back on, and store it in a cool, dark, dry place for future use. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 colors. After the last tank has been filled, close the caps on each station, then close both lids. Plug in the power cable, but wait to plug in the USB until later. Hold the on-off button on the front of the machine until it powers on. Select your language. When you see the Start Here prompt on the LCD screen, press OK. Hold the Help or question mark button for a few seconds. Confirm that the ink tanks are filled with ink, and then press the OK button to start the ink charge. This process pulls the ink from the tanks, through the tubes, and to the print head, and it takes about 14 minutes to complete. While the ink is charging, let's download our print driver. Go to www.epson.com/support/SCF170. Find the download section, select your OS, and click Go. This will bring up all available downloads for your printer. We recommend downloading the drivers and utilities combo package as shown. We'll return to this in a moment. Back to the printer, the ink charge has finished. Follow the prompts on screen to perform the print quality adjustment tests. Once you reach the screen prompting you to load paper, slide open the paper tray and adjust as shown. Load a few sheets of sublimation paper print side down and secure the tray back in place. Proceed with the tests, following the instructions on the printer screen. With that complete, plug in the USB cable to your printer and computer, and now we can finish installing our software. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen prompts as shown. Choose your language, accept the license agreement, and follow the on-screen prompts as shown, then click Install. Next, you'll see the printer setup screen. Click Next, then confirm the ink charge is complete. Select Direct USB Connection. If it detects a firmware update is needed, be sure to follow the on-screen instructions. We recommend registering your printer with Epson, though we did skip that portion for this tutorial. And with that, your installation is complete. Let me show you how to get your first print. Open your graphic in a photo editing program. In this example, we're using Photoshop. Ensure that it's sized properly and send it to print. I hit Ctrl P in this video. And we're pressing fabric, so I'll adjust my paper type. I also like to print on high quality. Go to More Options and double check that the mirror option is checked. If everything looks good, click OK, then print. Now all that's left is to press this onto our substrate using our HPN heat press. This HPN Sublecraft sublimation notebook looks incredible thanks to Epson print technology. And that's it. We've gone from an unboxing all the way to our first print with the Epson SureColor F170 sublimation printer. The Epson F170 is available now at heatpressnation.com, where we have a huge selection of sublimation printers, equipment, blanks, and supplies, in addition to the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA. With over 60,000 positive online reviews, it's no wonder why more and more print shops are switching over to HeatPress Nation every day.